plus 660 bucks on the day using a very straightforward strategy that I'll be revealing in today's video using our QuantVue system. I record these live trading sessions every single morning using our exact indicators. I'll be breaking down exactly what to do pre-market, what levels I'm looking at, how to properly use our QuantVue, Qline, and Moneyball indicators when trading futures, FX, and any prop accounts. Be sure to watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how to access this. I'll show you all of the amazing wins that our members are showcasing every single day. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, we are back again with another live session. Got the NQ pulled up, Qline. Here are the settings I'm rolling with, just the default. If you're using QWave, QWave is essentially Qline with some improved features like our position adding alerts and then a more improved ribbon, but you can mimic these settings. And a lot of people might not know that you could actually get this same ribbon in the QWave. I've just got Qline pulled up. Here are the Moneyball settings I'm using, just the defaults on both. First thing I'm looking at whenever I open my charts, like we state in our trading course that is included with your membership, is to map out these price levels. These are just basic support and resistance levels where price tends to bounce off of. These really help us in providing confluence when we are taking these alerts. You know, that way we could avoid some of this chop and really only focus on alerts that are printed when approaching these levels. So in a lot of these live trading videos that I've been doing, you'll notice that most of the alerts I'm taking are those that coincide with these support and resistance levels. And you just start at most recent price. Once price breaks through that level, it is then invalidated. So if price right here would have shot up, you know, this level would have been invalidated. What I'm looking at, obviously this, I mean, if you were in this would have been a decent little bear alert here this morning, little 2.5, 3 to 1, but we are 40 minutes from market open. Looks like we want to push down towards this level here. This is obviously a pretty important support level. If we break through this level, this is really our only other support, longer term support level. So we will see. Yesterday, we were pretty much just bouncing in this range here. So that's what I'm looking at this morning. So each morning, like I said, I fire up whatever chart I'm looking at. In these live videos, I am trading the NQ on 1 second data into a 3-box Renko, but it's the same thing on really any chart. It's plotting these price levels and then, you know, watching for alerts that coincide with those support and resistance levels for added confluence, along with some other things that I explained in these videos. So I will pick back up here at market open. This turned out to be a very clean bear alert here. As you can see, price came back up to these levels. Would this end up running to? Nice little 2.5 RR there. Well, a little more, almost 3 to 1. We'll see if we can push back down to this support level here. If we end up doing so and we get a bull alert, I'll probably take that to try and push back up towards these zones. But right now I'm not in any trade. This would have been a nice alert though. That's why drawing these zones out is so important. You know, as you can see, look, price comes up to this previous resistance level, get that bear alert. I mean, that's a beautiful trade. Same thing here. Price dips back down, get this little price pattern here, which we also point out in our training, this little W pattern, get that bull alert. You know, if you don't have, let's say price isn't approaching one of these zones, you know, say like up here is the first pivot, you're not able to catch it. Well, then you could catch these price patterns. So we'll see if we can't come up here, come back down to these support levels, and then if we get a flip, I'll go ahead and probably take that bull alert. Bulls want to push.
Order filled.
I'm in this here. Where did I get in? 38.75. Stops no more than the bottom parts of the bands. And then we will shave off some profit there at 1 to 1. See if we can't get a little push up here. Wouldn't be surprised if we got chopped out, pushed back down towards these levels down here. But hopefully we can at least get in a risk-free trade. Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked if we got chopped here. Looks like I'm gonna get ticked out here. And the bulls put up a fight here. At least push up so we're in a break-even trade, shave off some profit, but we will see. So far, there's only been one decent push by the bulls this morning. But if we break through these levels, then this is our next target. Well, we might get a bear print here, but if we do, I could just reverse it. Sell 6 the market. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped here.
Stop filled.
We'll try and go bearish here if we Well, now it looks like we might get
Order filled.
We'll get in here. We'll try and play the downside this morning. Hopefully this isn't just a bunch of chop here. Well, bottom here might just go reverse it. At least get to 1-to-1 so we could be in a risk-free trade.
Order filled.
Okay, that is break even now. Move those stops to break even, and then we'll shoot for a 2-to-1 on this one. So, okay, we'll get out of this one.
Order filled.
Okay, plus 680 on the morning. Getting a nice little profit number. Okay, little trade recap. So, ended up jumping in this alert here. Was probably a bit early trying to play this bounce off of this support level here. Got chopped out for a small $1,100 loss, but the beauty of the system is you get to keep those stops tight. So, ended up playing the downside here with a push towards these support levels. This is why drawing these levels is so important. Got in here, shaved off profits once we got to 1-to-1, making a risk-free trade, and then ended up getting a very nice 2-to-1 here to bring us to plus, what is that, 680 on the day. Stops were right here. I think we got a little, like just before 2-to-1. Yep. So plus 680 on the day. Very nice little 1-2 punch there. Yeah, this move, I mean, if like we said at the beginning of this video, if this level ends up breaking, you know, next support level would be this might turn out to be a huge short. So, but we'll see if we don't get some bounces in here and find some buyers in this little range here. If you want access to this exact same toolkit, you can try them 100% free for 7 days. We've got members in here every day. Here we've got Cypher. He just passed his combine using the QuantVue system. Members in here posting every single day their wins, their profit cards, which is amazing to see. This is why we do what we do and why we built this system, to help prop traders and traders in general stay profitable, get profitable. So if you want access to this entire system, our pro members community, click the link in the description. You can try it 100% risk-free for 7 days. You don't like it, cancel anytime. That's all I got for you in today's live trading session. See you tomorrow.